Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're going to talk about monetizing yourself. That's right, it's unstoppable domains. You better get your real estate now because it's the future. We're going to talk about it, and welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. And I hope you're ready to join us another day on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page, because today is going to be another special day where you can monetize yourself for the future. And as you can see, we're on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page as usual. So again, I humbly request that you please share the videos to help other people. And you notice we have the join button over here on the right hand side. I want to thank a lot of people who have become members of the channel. I so appreciate it. And if you do join to become a member of the channel, under the community tab, I have special messages during the month just for members only, and I do 1 or 2 videos specifically for members, as them being members of the channel. So I want to thank you once again. So today we're going to talk about unstoppable domains. It's a must, ladies and gentlemen. This is just like the .com boom, when you had to get your domain name, because once you do not get it, somebody else can get it. That's what's happening right now. You can get .crypto in your own name. This means people can send you a variety of crypto. It can be Ether, it can be Bitcoin, it could be ADA, it could be anything that you want, pretty much. And all you have to do is give them .crypto. You don't have to give them your Bitcoin to Bitcoin address. You don't have to give them your Ethereum address separately. You don't have to give them your Zilla. You don't have to give them your ADA, Cardano. You don't have to give them anything separately. So this is going to be major, and we're going to get into it. So here we go. UnstableDomains.com. I'll have a link down below in the description. Use the link, please. Of course, I'm an affiliate, and I do get a little credit for when you sign up. Now, the main part about these .cryptos are pretty simple. No renewal fees ever. Unlike .com names, everybody knows if you had a .com past 1 year, craziness happens. Some people charging $14 to renew. Some are charging $18. Some are charging $25. It's all over the map. But how would you like to have your domain for life and you just paid one time $40 for a .crypto domain? There's also a .zil, Z-I-L. I don't actually know how that fully operates because I haven't bought a .zil, but I bought .crypto, so they're $40. The .zil is $20. It is less. All right? Now, the main thing, no renewal fees ever. And I'll give you an example. You can go use the link down below. Once you get here, you can put in anything. I'll do NFT sales .crypto. That's probably a primary name, or it's already taken. Yeah, it's taken. So they give you a few options, trusted, Alaskan, FT sales, whatever. But I was just giving an example so you can understand, just like a .com, this is a .crypto. And again, you can go over there. You don't understand how it works. Here's a feature guide. What is blockchain domain? You can search for a domain again. They kind of helped you out so you can understand this. Pretty simple. All right. Now, you can see where I stopped here on the page. You can see ZIL, STC, ETH, BTC. This is where you would have in your address. All right. And it's pretty simple. It's not too hard. The only hard part is claiming your domain. But they tell me when they go to the 2.0 version, you don't have to claim it. Automatically claims it for you. So I didn't claim mine yet. Otherwise, I would tell you so. Now, you can see my domains that I have. This is all within the Unstoppable Domains website once you sign up. And you can see here, which I have ericbird.crypto, ssnlifestyle.crypto, stopstrugglingnow.crypto. I can get some more if I wanted to. And you can see over here on the right hand side, claim with ETH. I can pay, which is basically $57 to claim it, because that's about the cost, $50, $57, whatever. Or I can buy the claim for like $40, or you can wait till they come up with their 2.0 version and you don't have to pay any of it. All right. So this is all within, once you have signed up, this is all within your Unstoppable Domains back office. Account settings. Here's your ETH address that I have in so far. I have to add other ones. I brought this up a little bit so you couldn't see information above the top, but if I would have added Bitcoin, if I would have added others, then all the addresses would be in here. So whenever somebody sends me something, it can go into any of the wallets. Pretty simple, not that hard. And the creme de la creme. How about this? You can build your own website on the .crypto. I know, this is unbelievable. It doesn't work quite like a .com because you have to understand your browser changes numbers into a website. Similar things have to happen with the .crypto. There has to be some sort of resolution for it to create pages. It does exist already. If you wanted to mess around, you could actually create a website on here, and it would be, of course, under your, let's call it stopstrugglingnow.crypto domain name. And on that domain, a person could buy something using crypto to crypto. This is the future. You're setting yourself up for the future, just like in 1995 or 6 or 3, whenever the .coms came out and they were $2, $3 each to buy at the time. $1.99, as I recall, to get a domain name. It was crazy. And now look, they're up to 10, 11, 12 bucks, something of that nature. So this is what's going to happen with the .crypto. $40 is cheap to hedge against inflation. If you have a business like I do, then it's a write-off because that's an expense. Just like SSN Lifestyle has not launched yet, but I can use that as a loan to the company if I want to, or I can sell it to the company, or I can create what I'm going to call investment into the company. There's different ways you can do this, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So I just want to go over this real quick. Unstoppable Domains. You should get one right now because you know we're all about making money in the future, and the future is actually here. It's not that far ahead. Next year this time, people are going to be saying, hey, what's your .crypto address? I want to send you some money. Instead of going, what's my Cash App? What's your PayPal? What's your Patreon? What's your... No, you just be like, send me money at .crypto, ericbird.crypto. That's it. There ain't nothing else to talk about, right? And I cut out the middleman because it's driving me crazy right now. Paying while I'm sitting here doing uploads to Coinbase, and they're taking a fee for the upload. Then they're taking a fee when I send the crypto, double dipping. So anyhow, thank you again for watching. And thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And this is why our entry points matter. If you can get your own .crypto domain name for $40 right now, or .zil for $20 against the future, and is 40 bucks not worth hedging against the future? Again, I'll tell it again. What happens if .crypto is a bust? You just spent $40. Just like you spent $40 on clothes, $40 on groceries, $40 on driving to somewhere, $40 on electricity. What's the difference? The difference between all those that I just mentioned, there's no way that you're going to be making money in the future. This right here could possibly be money making for the future. You're monetized yourself. And I know it's hard out here. And that's why we go this route, because this is why it's called Stop Struggling Now. So keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.